Alright, guys. We accidentally experienced some technical difficulties. It's all good, though. The video was showing me doing some of the harvest, but luckily you'll be able to see me harvest some of this head lettuce here. So, here you go, Kira. Don't touch the screen. Careful. Don't want another accident. Okay. Man, that smells like greens.
Can you hold this real quick?
I really need you to hold this, Kira. There you go. Make sure it's shined over here so people can see me cutting the lettuce. All right.
Okay. I'm new at this.
Yeah, it's okay. You're doing good. Doing very good.
Next time, I just don't need to drop it.
Yeah, it's okay. It happens. I've done it before. Well. And actually, guys, as long as you're not cutting too deep down into the stalks, you can cut as much as you like. Lettuce does not mind how much you cut. Wow, we have so much lettuce here. See this, Kira?
Yeah.
So much. You guys are gonna have greens for days. Hold on. I'm just showing it to the camera.
Oh.
There's some more leaf chlorosis, guys. Like I said, that happens with every plant. You got one there. You got one here. You know, it's just something that happens. Nothing bad. Nothing wrong. And
that looks good to pick.
That?
Yeah.
No, that's been cut down. Feel it right here. Touch this. Touch the top of that.
I hear a bug.
Yeah, I know. See, it's stiff and hard?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's because it's close to the stalk. You don't want to cut too close down. They already saw me mess up and cut too close down. But
that happens.
Yes, it does.
There's a worm. No, there's
Actually,
a
that's
slug.
a snail.
Hold on,
Mr.
guys.
Snail.
I'm gonna get him off.
He doesn't need to be on there, does he?
No. Ew, it's slimy.
Oh, yeah.
Get it off. I don't want to.
Just gently put him down. No, just here. Just like this. Just like this. And just put him down away from us so we don't accidentally step on him. And just let him go about his day.
Hi. Do you show your face?
Oh, yeah. I mean, you couldn't... They saw my face earlier.
Okay, I'm just gonna ignore her. Sorry about that. My friend keeps on calling me. She's being annoying. When I say stop calling, it means stop calling, Riley.
Tell him.
I did. I was like, Riley, I'll call you later, but I want to spend some time with my brother. And she's like, but why can't you spend time with me now? And I'm like, I spend time with you every day.
Okay, we're running out of room in this bowl. So we're probably going to have to
I'll go get another bowl.
Nah, it's okay. Do you realize how much greens we have?
Yeah.
Greens for days. No one at this house really eats a lot of greens anyway, so you're going to have greens for days. But hopefully with me growing this garden, that's going to change. And everyone's going to be eating greens. Including me.
I hate greens. They taste disgusting. Isn't that lettuce?
Yep, that's all lettuce. All of this. That's head lettuce right here.
Are you gonna make another YouTube video?
Not until the next harvest, or unless I think of something else. Which probably isn't going to be too far from now. I can only harvest as much as I can. You know, there's a lot to harvest, but can't harvest it all tonight. It's getting too dark.
Ooh, look at that bug. Ew!
What?
It's right there. The bug.
It's just a bug. It's helping out the garden.
The bug.
Yeah, he's helping the garden out.
Ew, what's that?
Want to pick a few of these too, Kira?
Yeah.
You want to pick one?